This video is a demonstration of how to build the coils that generate the electromagnetic fields during the excess correlation procedure. The video is sped up to twice the normal speed for your viewing purpose. The materials you'll need to build the device are as follows: one crochet ring with a 10-inch diameter, approximately 100 feet of 16-gauge stereo speaker copper wire, black vinyl electrical tape, a breadboard jumper cable, and a pair of scissors. The first step involves removing the metallic hardware at the top of the crochet ring. This can be accomplished by taping the top of the crochet ring tightly, and then simply removing the metallic hardware afterwards. This will give the ring a uniform or symmetrical shape. Once the hardware is removed, you can begin wrapping the coil with copper wire. The coil will be wrapped by a single layer and will consist of one long piece of wire. Maintain enough tension to keep the wraps tight and consistent. There shouldn't be any gaps between the turns. Tape off your first 3 or 4 turns before continuing. Continue wrapping, and for every quarter of the ring complete, tape off your progress. Once you've wrapped the entire ring, tape off the final turns. Be sure to leave an obvious separation between the leads to each side of the coil. You'll want to know which end of the wire is which when you make your connections later on. Once everything is taped off, you can proceed to trim the wire such that the 2 ends are of equal length. Proceed to cover the ring with a single layer of the black vinyl electrical tape. The final step involves splicing one end of the coil with a small jumper cable so that connections to and from the breadboard or microcontroller can be made. For this task, you can use wire cutters to trim insulation off the wires. Here we've used scissors. The idea is to braid the two pieces of copper together into a new single strand, forming the connection. Once connection is established, and the splice point is sealed, either with electrical tape or heat shrink tubing, you'll be able to plug the coil into the solderless breadboards. Repeat this last process for the other end of the coil, and that's it.